Welcome. Today, we ask AI business questions with e-commerce data. We have sample e-commerce data with product name, stocks, price, and yearly sales. We have a list of prompts which need to be answered. You can use custom instructions, like asking AI to answer in one sentence. Also, you can turn on the smarter model. Let's go back to the spreadsheet and start using the add-on. To use the function, typed equals Gemini. The first parameter is the cell of the prompt. The second parameter is the data range. Click enter and Gemini AI will start loading. Which product has the highest stock quantity? Scarlet. Correct. Let's copy the formula to below cells. What is the average price of all product listed? The average price is $59. It's $1 off. AI still needs to improve their math. You can drag the formula down. How many products are priced below $50? 8. Correct. Next question. What is the total stock quantity for all sweaters? The total stock is 15. Correct. Which product has the lowest price? Green dress. Correct. Drag down to apply to all prompts. Now Gemini AI is answering all the prompts and filling the answers in the answer column. Gemini AI is very powerful in analyzing data and answering your questions in natural language. Now all the prompts are answered by Gemini AI. Let's get into strategies and ask for suggestions on improving sales. The prompt I use here is, what is your suggested actions for me to improve sales? Run Gemini AI again to get suggestions. You can also ask follow-up questions by typing Gemini and the question. Gemini AI suggested to focus on selling products with higher stock, lower prices, and historically high yearly sales, such as yellow socks and pink shorts. This is a demo of how to use Gemini AI for Sheets. Thank you for watching.